To address nail fungus at home, you can try the following remedies. First one is the tea tree oil. Apply diluted tea tree oil to the affected area twice daily. Its antifungal properties may help combat the infection. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. Soak your nails in a mixture of equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water for 30 minutes daily. Number 3 is baking soda. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the affected nails. Leave it for at least 10 minutes before rinsing. Number 4, garlic. Crush a few cloves of garlic and apply them in the affected area. Garlic has antifungal properties and can be very effective against infections. Tongue twister. Number 5, coconut oil. So apply coconut oil to the affected nails, and it has antifungal properties as well, and it helps keep the nail moisturized. Number 6, hydrogen peroxide. Soak the affected nail in a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water of a 1-to-1 ratio for 30 minutes daily. Always maintain good foot hygiene as well. Keep your nails trimmed and avoid wearing tight shoes. If symptoms persist, consider consulting a healthcare professional.